Here we go, you guys. We got $1,000 sale right here at Casey's Fireworks in Columbia, South Carolina. South Carolina is exploding these days. So come beat the rush. Move to South Carolina and get your fireworks. Or come here on vacation. Got the 5-inch super shells here. Look at all this. That's a big load of fireworks. And they come in and shopping every year. Every year. Casey's Fireworks, y'all. Been here for 72 years. What else we got in our store? Pickle parrots. We got a bunch of new fireworks this year. It's 2021, y'all. And we are still open. We got the Black Angel. You got the Blonde Joke. Baba Yaga. Hydrogen Bomb by Brothers. It's a really good shell. Publicity Stunt right there by Brothers. Phoenix Return. That one's real loud, powerful. Got some color in there. Got Lucille. This wall is 2 for $55. And you can mix and match. We got the Whack Jobs. Those are new this year. We've had them in the past. But they are so good. So we got them back. Lock It Up. Overdrive. Giving Back. These are really popular this year and last year. What else we got? The Hypnotic. Night Moves. Dirty Duck. This one's really amazing. It's got a bunch of shots. And it's got a really, really powerful color. You got the Bling Bling. This one's classic. People come and get these every year. We've had them for a while. And they are so good, so people come back for more. Got the Forsaken in here. Got the Gender Reveal over here. If you need gender reveal fireworks, we got you covered. We got a bunch of them right here. This is by Brothers right here. And Brothers are some of the best fireworks in the game. Bar none. What else we got? We got wedding sparklers right here. If you got a wedding, we got you covered. We got the 36-inch sparklers. And we got the 20-inch sparklers too. What else we got? Rockets. We got ladybugs. We got smoke bombs galore. So come check out our smoke bomb section right here. We got buy one, get one free fireworks. And we're open all year. Hey, that rhymed. This is a big store from the inside. You never expect this many fireworks in here. But we got you covered. Casey's Fireworks, we're open all year. So come on down and get your fireworks. We're not playing around. We got some good fireworks in here. That's what we pride ourselves on, is having premium fireworks. Not just average fireworks. We have premium quality fireworks. Here we go. Back to the $1,000 order. Check out the rest of the store. Casey's Fireworks. All right, y'all. Continuing our tour. These are our mortar racks. We got the 5-inch shells, 6-inch shells. We got the 2 for $80 deal over here. It was 2 for $80, now it's $75, 2 for $75. We got the Magics. These are really spectacular. People just buy these by themselves, but we got them in the deal zone. You can get 2 for $75. And they are spectacular, like I said. Out of this world. What else we got here? Excalibur. Got those. What else we got? Zeus. We got those. Excalibur Platinum. We got those. Got them right here. The 24-inch or the 24-shot 5-inch canister shells. We got them here. And you can get a free Forsaken, which is one of these boxes, if you buy an Excalibur. What else you got here? Check out all these fireworks we got here. We got the Honey Badger. People love these. What else we got? Stars and Stripes. Animal Paradise. Brainstorm. Peace, Peace, Peace. Cock and Fire. Rocky Mountain High. Here come the customers that just bought the $1,000. What else we got? Guerrilla Warfare. Mobsters. Jungle Cat. Patriot. Magic. Endgame. Dark Days. Lightning. Selfie. And you get free fireworks. The more you buy, the more you get free. We're giving out deals left and right. We got the Max right here. This is a big old assortment. People buy these every year. And they load down their Impalas after they load them in their car. Or their lowriders. Their lowriders will be riding a bit lower after they load that in their car. That's for sure. We got the big one right here. Or this is the bigger than yours, which is bigger than the big one. As I like to say, the Grizzly right here in the Pro Zone. So if you want to go pro, come to Casey's. We only feature pro fireworks. And we have some amateur fireworks too, but mostly we got a lot of pro fireworks. So if you want quality, if you want quantity, and if you want luxury, these are luxury fireworks. We're like the Cadillac of fireworks. We go boom. What else you got here? So much good stuff. These are buy one, get one free right here. Told you we got buy one, get one free. We got them in the front too. What else we got? We got all these firecrackers right here. Different color smoke bombs. This is our 250 or 200 gram aerial show. Large ground show. There's a lot of good ones in here. Wild Horses. Goody Goody, Chickaboo, Mo Better, Burnout, and you got 1 for $19.99 or 2 for $29. We got pink smoke right here, if it's a girl. We got blue smoke over here, if it's a boy, and you're doing gender reveal fireworks. Like I said, we got a good gender reveal zone. These are trending right now and always will be trending from this moment on. In a few moments before this, we got the colorful whirlwind down here. Can't forget those. Texas rattlesnake up here. What else we got? Firecrackers right here. Black cats. We got a bunch of black cats. Firecrackers, M800s. Big old bombs, bunker bombs, thunder bombs, black cats. Navy SEAL crackers, pipe bombs. Jumbo M5000s. We got tanks. We got paparazzi. We got noiseless fireworks, y'all. Come get your noiseless fireworks. This is the explosive zone. We got firecrackers, smoke bombs, dynamite. And this is a big old 16,000 firecracker right here. It's the special firecracker. And what you do is you cut it down the side, and the firecracker is all the way on the inside of the firecracker. Don't try and light the top, because it will not light. What else we got? Redneck rolls. 900 firecrackers on a fuse. We got M800s, like I said, M60s right here. Need some M60s, we got you covered. Pipe bomb right here. We got Happy Diwali right here. More Happy Diwali. We got sky lanterns. We got Frog Prince and Princess, if you want some good fountains. And these eyes actually light up. So it's something real cool you don't see often. The eyes and the mouth light up as the fireworks shoots off. And the fountain is like a big spark of color that comes from the top. So that's what a fountain does. It goes about 5 feet in the air. What else we got here? Party zone. We got the champagne poppers. Also, back here we have really, really good assortments. They are $59.99 and $99.99. And the $59 package is actually $120 worth of fireworks for only $59.99. And the $99 package is about $189 worth of fireworks for only $99.99. So those are some deals we got at the store. Come check out our fireworks, y'all. We got a lot for the 4th of July. We will help you light the sky with some sky magic. See that up there? We got the Polar Attack, ICU. We got assortments for days. And assortments are a really, really good way to save your money, and you get a lot of bang for your buck. So that's why we like to sell assortments here, because we know people want a good deal and they don't want to spend a lot. So if I were you and you're just shooting for the first time or maybe second time, or it's like a Happy Meal, but a really, really good fireworks. You're gonna get a lot for what you pay for, and it's just gonna be an amazing show. So come on down to Casey's Fireworks, y'all. We've been here since 1949, and we plan on being here for another 1,000,000 years. So if you can get here within the next 1,000,000 years, come on down and see us. Thanks so much for coming to Casey's Fireworks, y'all. We will help you out every year. We're open all year, at least 5 days a week. Usually we're open on Mondays. Some days on Mondays we're not open. But usually we're open from Tuesday through Saturday in the off season. And during the full season, during the height of the season, we're open every day pretty much. Yep, during the season we're open every day pretty much. Might take Sundays off here and there, but usually we're open every day. We got the rockets right here, redneck rockets, y'all. Can't forget those. Radioactive rockets. We got the earthquake right here. If you want to make the earthquake, you got those. X Factor fireworks. Got the Saturn missiles up here. If you like Saturn missiles, this is your rack. We got every kind you can think of. The 50s, the 100s, the 750s, the 300s. Actually, these are 396. And that's a Saturn missile battery. As you can see, it's a little different than the normal Saturn missile, as it has bigger shots around the edge. So that's why they call it a battery. What else we got here? Roman candles. We got a bunch of different Roman candles right here. Some you can stick in the ground. And you got a bunch of shots. You got, these are the old school Roman candles right here. Ones that used to shoot back in the 70s probably. What else? You can plant these in the ground right here. And that's Casey's Fireworks, yo. Casey's Fireworks, y'all. We're open all year. What else we got? What else we got? These are our noiseless fireworks.
That's great. Thanks, sir. Appreciate it.
All right, y'all. Thanks so much. Happy 4th of July. Happy New Year. And enjoy your celebrations around the world. This is Casey's Fireworks signing off. Oh yeah, one more thing I want to show you. We have a really good deal over here. We got the squealer right here. These ones are amazing. They got 12 shots. They're only $32.98. Made by Smokin' Alien. So as you can see, we got really good deals. I got the Pro 3-inch shells over here. Saber Tooth. It's the 3D. 3D racks. We got the Neon Butterfly. We got a bunch of fireworks up in here. Check it out, yo. These are the Pro Zone. Pro Zone. Got a lot of good stuff. Brawl of the Wild. Mook. Skull Crusher. March of the Ents. Sensei. And Gone Wild. America's Pastime. This one's a really good finale. Got the Adrenaline Rush. 12 gauge. Got the Tutelar Gods down here. We got a bunch more right here. Big old racks. They must have come at night. Big Dog. Wacky Tobacco. This store is just never ending. So if you come in early, you're going to beat the rush. You're going to see all these good fireworks before the store gets really crowded. And this store gets more crowded than the beach on Easter weekend. So if you want to beat the beach rush, I would get here early because everyone waits to the last minute usually. So be one of the people that comes early and beats the rush. All right, y'all. This is our 500-gram cakes, one fuse show. So this is the difference between the 250-gram and the 500-gram. There's a lot of difference. You can see how big the boxes are. These are your finale shells, and we have a lot, as you can see. Oh, I like to paint on this easel sometimes in the off season and get some good paintings done because I'm a painter as well. You can buy my paintings for the right price. Just like you can buy our fireworks for the right price. So thanks so much for coming to Casey's Fireworks, y'all. Been here since 1949. We are happy to serve you and make you happy. All right, y'all. Thank you so much. This is John Casey signing out.